I'm Yvonne and welcome back to my channel. If you've not already done so, please do subscribe and hit that little bell to be notified as to when I'm back on. Now, just a quick cover of last week when I asked you to read out your power questions. So have you been doing that? If so, how has that been going? Please comment, let me know. Also, I asked you who you need to become to allow you to achieve your goals, so let me know exactly how you go on with that as well. And as always, are you reading your goals every day? And with that, I'm going to get right into the session, which is all about beliefs. Now, it is so important that you discover your unlimiting beliefs, because you do have them. If you did not have them, you would not be tuning in to find out how exactly to create your dreams and allow them to come true. So there is reasons for you not being at that stage just now. Now, I want you to think about positive beliefs that you have that will support you in achieving your goals. Now, I'd like you to pick 2 for each goal. I did go into this in a last session there when I mentioned about your determination and your willpower. You do have these qualities in other areas, and I did ask you to bring them over, but I want you to look in depth today. I want you to look at 2 positive beliefs that you have to support your goals. Again, with health, it may be that you are determined, that you do have persistence there and willpower. Now, I do have a heavy cold today, so do bear with me. I'm not 100% today, but I did not want to miss out on this session with you. I mentioned you must have beliefs that are stopping you achieving those goals. So I'd like you to put 2 for each goal. So it may be that you do procrastinate, that you do find yourself getting bored. Perhaps you become self-destructive, so you do have a destructive button there. Now, with beliefs, there has to be some evidence as to why you believe them. So I would like you to think about exactly where you got those beliefs from. So where did you get those positive beliefs from? Perhaps it's from experience, where you built up more muscle, you become more toned, you saved for that holiday. So this is evidence. Pick 2 for each goal. And again, I want you to do the same with the negative goal beliefs, because they too have come from somewhere. I particularly want you to think, what age were you when you began to believe these? And also, who influenced you as well? So you may be very surprised at the age that you were when you formed these beliefs and who actually influenced you. It could be friends, it could be teachers, it could be family. It could be something from a young age of 5 where you believed that you had no coordination, so you weren't able to do sports well. So today I would just like you to reflect on those limited beliefs, where they came from, what age were you, what is your positive and what is your negative self-beliefs. And in our next session, I will go into it further. I want you to think about this again. What will be the benefits if you do not achieve your goals? Because there are benefits there. There's long lives, there's late nights, there's more time with friends and loved ones. But there are consequences as well. So lots to think about. I want you to think about the consequences. So it's good at the time, but how will your life be looking in 5 years' time? So lots to be thinking about in today's session. So read your goals every day, read your power questions, and most of all, live your dreams. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.